Good morning students, welcome to the computer lecture. Today we will start with our lesson number 5, which is MS Access 2007 Introduction. Kids, what is MS Access 2007? Access 2007 is the database software in the Microsoft 2007 Office suite. It allows you to order, manage, search and report a large quantity of information. So, let us see how we can open the MS Access 2007 in our computer. So first of all, you have to click on the start button. From there, find out where is Microsoft Office. So from Microsoft Office suite, find out where is Microsoft Access 2000 written. Click on it. As you click on the Microsoft Access 2007, the application window of the Access 2007 will be opened. See, this is the window of Office 2007, Access 2007. Just follow my mouse pointer. So first of all, to create a new blank database, here we need to create a database. How we used to create the Word file in the MS Word, presentation in Microsoft PPT, in worksheet in the Excel. Here we will design the database in the MS Access. See, in the rightmost corner you can find out a blank database written there. To create a new database, give your file name. You can give your own name to your database. So as you type your name, click on the create button, then you find out this type of screen will appear. See, this is our Microsoft Access work area. So the left up in the uppermost left corner, this is known as the Microsoft Office button. The circle that will be known as the Microsoft Office button. Just beside to the Microsoft Office button, the quick access toolbar is there. Below the quick access toolbar, the ribbon, this will be known as the ribbon. The ribbon is the primary replacement for menus and toolbars and provide the main command interface in the Office Access 2007. The ribbon contains a series of command tabs that contain commands. The commands will be, the tabs will be Home, Create, External Data and Database Tools. So these are the command tabs of MS Access 2007 ribbon. So when you click on the home, you can find out several options are given there. Select a different view, copy and paste from the clipboard, set the current font characteristics, set the current font alignment, apply rich text formatting to the memo field, work with records, sort and filter records, find records. So these will be the options given in the home tab. Then after, when you click on the create tab, you can find you can create a new blank table. You can create a table using the table template, create a list on a SharePoint site, create a new blank table in design view. You can create a new form based on the active table or query, create a new pivot table or chart, create a new report based on the active table or query. You can create a new query macro module or the class module. Then next, when you click on the external, likewise you can create, import or link to external data, export data, collect and update data via email, work with offline SharePoint list, create saved imports and saved exports, move some or all parts of a database to a new or existing SharePoint. See kids, all these points we will clarify later in each lesson afterwards. Next, database tool will launch the Visual Basic Editor or run a macro. Then create and view table relationships, show or hide object dependencies or property sheet, run the database documenter or analyze performance, move data to Microsoft SQL Server or to an Access database, run the linked table manager, manage Access add-ins, create or edit a Visual Basic for Applications module. So these are the options. Just You can see kids, this will be known as where the mouse pointer is there, that will be all tables. Navigate to category, custom, object type, tables, related, create data, modify data, date, filter by groups. So this is known as the navigation pane. What is navigation pane? When you open a database or create a new one, the names of your database objects appear in the navigation pane. The database objects include your table, forms, reports, pages, macros and modules. So these are the different parts of our Microsoft Access 2007. So likewise, we can also customize the quick access toolbar. See kids, just beside to the Microsoft Office button, you can find out a tab is the toolbar is there, that will be known as the quick access toolbar. So some options are given there, just like save, redo, undo. So here you can add more options by clicking under customize quick access toolbar. Click on the more commands, and from there you can add or delete the options that you require. So we will end our video here. Thank you. Welcome back kids. Kids, as in the previous video, we have already learned the lesson number 5, which is Access 2007 Introduction. Here, in this video, we will solve our exercise of lesson number 5, which is Access 2007 Introduction. Here, in this video, we will solve all the brief objective, including all the fill-ups, MCQs and the true or false. So let's start. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. A dash allows you to store an information related to a specific topic in an organized way. Here the answer will be database. So what do you mean by database? The database is a collection of similar kind of data all together. So a database allows you to store an information related to a specific topic in an organized way. Question number B. On MS Access window, the dash contains a series of command tabs that contain commands. And on MS Access window, the ribbon is a primary replacement for menus and toolbars and provide the main command interface in the Office Access 2007. Okay. Next, C1. In MS Access, when you open a database or create a new one, the names of your database object appear in the dash. The answer will be navigation pane. The navigation pane is a place where all the data that you all the tables, forms, reports, pages and macros, so all these things will be displayed over there. Then mark true or false. The MS Access database objects include your tables, forms, reports, pages, macros and modules. The answer will be true. Next, B1. MS Access 2007 is a database software in the Microsoft 2007 Office suite. The answer will be true. On MS Access window, the right side of the title bar displays the quick access toolbar. So answer is false, because the quick access toolbar is a toolbar which appears just beside to the Microsoft Office button, which is in the upper leftmost corner. Next, we will discuss the brief question and answers. Answer the following. 3A. How to start MS Access? Click on the start button, then point to all programs menu, click Microsoft Office, and then from the list the number of programs will be displayed, just like Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Outlook. So from there you can find out where is Microsoft Access 2007 written. When you find it out, then click on it. The Microsoft Office Access application will be opened. So these are the steps that you have to follow if you want to open the MS Access 2007. Next, what is the navigation pane in MS Access window? See, what is the navigation pane? When we open a database or create a new one, the name of our database objects appear in the navigation pane. The database objects include your tables, forms, reports, pages, macros, and modules. Next one, 3C. Write the steps to create a new database in MS Access. So, the answer will be on the getting started with the MS Access blank page. When you click on the Microsoft Office 2007, so the MS Access, the getting started with the MS Access page will open. From there, click on the blank database. In the blank database pane, type the file name. The file name, you can give your own name in the file name box. So as you after typing the file name, then after click on the create button. So as soon as you click on the create button, the MS Access will create a database and then opens an empty table in datasheet view where you can start your work. Next, write the steps to customize quick access toolbar in MS Access. So what are the steps that you have to follow when you want to customize the quick access toolbar? Click the rightmost drop down arrow in the toolbar. Under customized quick access toolbar, click on the more commands. In the access settings dialog box, select the command you want to add and then click add. To remove a command, highlight it in the list on the right, then click remove. Alternatively, double click the command in the list, then click OK when it is done. So these are the steps that you have to follow if you want to customize the quick access toolbar. So what is quick access toolbar? It is a toolbar just beside to the Microsoft Office button in the topmost left corner of the Microsoft Windows screen. So we have done all the exercise of lesson number 5, which is Introduction to Microsoft Access 2007. Kids, copy down everything in the computer notebook, including the objective and brief question and answers in computer notebook. Okay, we will end our video here. Thank you.